ठीक है, स्टार्ट. Let's discuss about the anatomical demonstration of the testes. We know that in male there is one pair of testes, means two in number, right and left. Left testis is slightly lower than the right testis, and it is about 10 to 12 gram in weight. Let's focus on the external feature of the testis. This is a this is the head of the epidermis. This structures. This structure is a head of epidermis, and it has two surfaces. This is a medial surface, and this is a lateral surface. Medial surface. This is medial surface. We can see that this is a medial surface, and this is this lateral surface, and this is a medial surface, and two border. This is anterior border. You can see that anterior border, and this is a posterior border of the testis. Again, lateral surface, medial surface, anterior border, and posterior border. Then how can you determine the side determination of the testis? Then for the side determinations, we focus on this head of epidermis. This is the head of epidermis, and between the testis and epidermis, there is the presence of the sinuses called sinus of epidermis. And for side determination, sinus of epidermis should be faced laterally. Means this is a right testis, because here the sinus of epidermis is faced laterally. You can see that my hand is faced laterally. That's why this is a right testis of our body, because this lateral surface is faced laterally, means this sinus of epidermis is faced laterally. That's why this is a right testis. And again, in case of photo examinations, question asks like that: what is this tied structure? Then this tied structure is a vas difference. And what is the length of the vas difference can also ask in the sport examinations. Then this vas difference and along this called spermatic cord. And in case of examination, tight in this part of the structure, and identify that's called spermatic cord. Then what is the content of the spermatic cord? Like testicular artery, gonadal vessels, artery to the vas deferens, and genital branch of the genital nerve, and pantoniform plexus, and the cremastic artery or cremastic vein are the content of the spermatic cord.